Westmoreland residents who have been displaced by Hurricane Melissa can expect more relief in coming days. As you'll hear in this report from Kerry-Ann Simpson, the island's leading aid agency is calling for cash rather than kind.
Food for the Poor, Jamaica's largest charity organization, to the rescue. Over 40,000 containers of food aid have so far been shipped to the island to help victims of Hurricane Melissa, and at least 35 more is scheduled to come. Ed Rain is president and CEO of Food for the Poor Global.
We have thousands of kits that we're going to be distributing both through our container deliveries, as well as tomorrow they'll be part of a helicopter airship and drop to some of the remote areas in Westmoreland. This is what's keeping Jamaicans alive right now.
And although other Caribbean countries have been impacted by Hurricane Melissa, Mr. Rain says his focus is on Jamaica.
All that you see here is being done solely for Jamaica. Jamaica's needs are tremendous. And I just want to say this is going to be going on a routine basis. We're also shipping kits in from the U.S. I want you to know that you have so many friends in the U.S. They've been packing, they've been helping us respond. There is going to be container load to container load.
And with thousands displaced due to the hurricane, housing is critical at this point. It is why Mr. Rain insists that in addition to food, the organization urgently needs cash.
So for those that can help us with cash donations, again, please go to our website. You follow it. The homepage will take you to the link. You can see what's going on. When you think about what's going to be needed to help Jamaica, it's not just about these immediate needs. It's going to be about the reconstruction. In the history of Food for the Poor, we've been here 42 years. We built 35,000 homes. You know just how many homes got destroyed in this terrible storm in the last few weeks. We know that lots of displaced persons, they're going to need help. And for that reason, I'm really urging you to give cash when you can. foodforthepoorja.org. Please take a look. We need your help, and God bless you.
Kerry-Ann Simpson, TVJ News.
With no timeline on when they will receive electricity, fishermen in White House, Westmoreland had to get creative to preserve their stock. Here's Kirk Wright with that report.
So once again, just about everyone who lives in Westmoreland has been affected by Hurricane Melissa. The fishermen here in White House, Westmoreland, they too have been seriously affected to the point where some have to be giving away fish. Very little is being sold right now, but you know, the fishermen had fish stocked up before the storm, and guess what? They had to find a way to make good use of the fish. And so one of the things that they're doing is preserving the fish. Hopefully the fish will be able to use not long from now.
So as you can see, there's no lightning or current to preserve all the fishes that we have live. So in case of make them spoil, we just have to preserve them like doing like this. Get salt and salted them. So you salt them and do them like this, right? You salted them with a lot of salt. Salt can't too much, right? Then after you do them like this now, then you have to put them in the sun. Like how you have it over there on the fish pot you got in the sun, make it dry. So when it dry as it get, then you can put it up, lock it up into a bucket, and it can last for even like up to a 2 month. Up to a 2 month. More too. You have no spoil to get. Long as you do it like this, preserve it, a lot of salt. Just fillet it up and get a lot of salt. Right? But after you do it like this, you have to put it in the sun and make it dry. You can't make it get wet. Anyway, get wet, it's gonna spoil. Spoil. Just like when the current left your fridge. Right? So this is a original way. Salt it, dry it, and put it down.
Yeah, we want some early assistance, you know, where fishermen can get back together. Yeah? We have suffered down here. The rough, out of boat, we have to catch water to wash off when rain fall.
You know, where you get water from?
Out of the boat them. When the rain fall, we have to get rainwater out of the boat them.